What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, I hope you're all well. We're going to do a different video today on Bitcoin. We're going to go through an old video of mine where we actually called this exact move all the way down to this exact low. And this move was over let's call it to that low, a 21% move to the downside, ridiculous. Of course, many people wouldn't have sold it right there, so at the loss of that low, it would have been around a 15% move. So with 10x leverage, guys, that is crazy. That is 146% gains in one trade. So this is the sort of thing that I'm teaching my students in the mentorship, in the course as well. So if you're interested, I'll speak about it more later on in this video. Please enjoy today's video, guys. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, and of course, if you're interested in the course or in the mentorship, follow the steps at the end of this video. Cool, enjoy the video, guys. Thank you. Over here, we know that this was previous resistance and we now bounced from it. So this was a good area to enter some scalp positions, like buy positions. So on the daily time frame, we have the neckline, and then on the 15-minute, when you get down there and you held it as support right there on that candle, this green one would have been the perfect entry point for a quick scalp. You can see higher low, higher high, higher low, and then we should continue up higher 46k if obviously we continue to hold these EMAs. So if Bitcoin, I know this is the 15-minute, doesn't really matter what's going on the 15-minute, but if Bitcoin is staying above 44.8, let's just call it 45. If Bitcoin's staying above 45k, then we should expect an impulse to 46k. What we can expect is this bounce now. So that's a long opportunity. Go to the 15-minute time frame. As soon as it bounced off there, the 15-minute time frame, 1 hour, whatever it is, smaller time frame, enter your long, and then you just wait for the momentum. So now we're waiting for this upward momentum. So yeah, guys, let's go check out this move. So we're going to zoom into this area to see if we met that target. We came back down to the area down here into the resistance we need to stay above, and we bounced off it, got back above the EMAs and met that 46k target. So now we'll go to the old video again and yeah, go into more detail about how we came to the conclusion we were coming back down to here. If we can put a higher high, we're not coming back down to where I want it to come, which is this double bottoms neckline. I want it to come back down here personally. You can see already the 55 is above it, something we said, but what I would like is obviously we know we need to go ahead and break this high if we want to head higher. So even if we are holding this as support here, we are going to get this bounce if it holds as support. It's just, will this bounce break above this high? Because if it fails to and you put a lower high like this, then we're going to go lower than this low basically. So I'll draw the low here. So we're going to have this impulse where it's a lower high and you come down and lose the low and come down to the next support. So this is a swing high and it should hold as a swing low. Lose that and you go to the next one. So in actual fact, your next swing low is down here, but before getting down there, you can see you have this swing high in the way. So this should have been tested as support right there. And we actually did that with this green candle, and that is why we entered this trade from here to there on this green candle, because we knew that this was a buy signal. However, we knew that this wasn't enough of a retest. We want to see red candles coming down, and that's why, because we continued up for 9 days in a row, that's why I was saying to you guys, this is why it's most likely we come down to here first. We've come into the level I said, because I said that if we didn't hold this, we were going to come down into this, and that's what's happened exactly. So if you took that trade, well done to you guys. That was a massive short position. So we called the impulse literally from the bottom here to 46k. So that was a 3.5% pump with 10x leverage. That could have been a 35% trade, and this one would have been a monster trade, guys, all the way back down to there. You can see we met that exactly, a 14.5% trade. So with 10x leverage, you could have had a 140% trade. So these are the sorts of things that I teach you in the one-on-one mentorship in the course. So guys, if you're interested, I still have 2 spaces for May. I've got 2 spaces for June. If you just want to take the course, because you can do that whenever you want, I've got the 6-hour course. If you're interested in any of this and the chat or whatever it is, then listen to the crypto packages at the end of the video. And if you want to take action, click the link in the description down below to go to my Twitter And yeah, go to the pinned post and comment down below and we'll get you started ASAP. Guys, here are the crypto packages. If you think you have what it takes to stay disciplined and consistent over the next 3 to 6 months, then I'm more than happy to help you 10x your learning curve. So you can already be a complete beginner, or you can be advanced. It doesn't matter. I'm here to turn you into a self-sufficient trader that doesn't need anyone else's guidance by the end of it. I even had to pay over £10,000 to get all this information. That includes scams, scam signals where I lost 3K, scam master account management where I lost 5K, scam pyramid scheme companies for bad courses. Then I found my mentor and I had to pay over $2,000 for just a 2-hour mentorship lesson. What you guys are getting for £650 is access to the chat until the top of the market. So if the top of the market is a year away, do 1 year times 40. So you're definitely getting your money's worth. You also get the course included in the mentorship, and I'll actually not just do a 2-hour lesson with you. I will stay here for a month period to make sure that you become a self-sufficient trader by the end of it. So if you're interested in this, head over to my Twitter, Louis_crypto, to the pinned post and message me there. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.